Today I am going to teach you nested for loop in Java. After many days I am starting the session. You can see nested for loop. Here I will explain you about certain programs in Java in nested for loop. This is nested for loop is a concept of class 9th of ICSE Java. You can see we have a flowchart here. I have told you that flowchart is a diagrammatical representation of any program which we use to draw before making that program. And after making a flowchart, we used to design the algorithm of the program. What is algorithm? Algorithm is the step-by-step process to solve any problem. So here we have a flowchart. You can see initialization, condition 1. If the condition will be true, for example, if we will give any number 5 is greater than 4, then 5 is actually greater than 4, means the condition is true, then it will go to true block, that is, it will go to true block, and here again it will have another condition that 5 is greater than 4. So 5 is again greater than 4, then again it will go to true block, and we will write here the statement that both condition are true, and if the condition will be false, if we will give any number which will be less than 5, we will give 4 is greater than 5, then the condition will be false, then the loop will come here to the end part, means the loop will terminate, and based on this flowchart we will make a Java program. If condition 1 will be true, then there will be increment decrement. If condition 2 will be true, then there will be increment decrement. It is a flowchart. Nested for loop means nested loop means we can we can put different kind of loops in a single program, that is called nested for loop, and this is just an example of nested for loop. Now we have an example. You can see we have written here a for loop for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, plus I. This is pre-increment of I. And the value of I is 1 at start. Code inside the body of the outer loop. And this is in inner loop. This is outer loop and this is inner loop. Then again we are writing another for loop where we are writing j equals to 1, j less than equals to 2, and plus j. Code inside the body of both outer and inner loop. Now ये loop कैसे execute करेगा, it's up to you. If you have enough understanding of for loop, अगर आप जानते हैं for loop कैसे काम करता है. For example यहाँ पे हमने I equals to 1 लिखा है, I less than equals to 5 लिखा है, plus I. मतलब ये I 1 से लेके जब 4 तक चलेगा, और फिर यहाँ पे j equals to 1 है, j less than equals to 2 है, तो j 2 तक ही चलेगा, मीन्स एक बार ही एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. Here a for loop is inside the body of another loop. इसी को बोलते हैं nesting of loop. Now we have this example. Class nested for loop. Here we have a main method. Public static void main. String argument. This is array sign. And we have written a for loop. Again we have written another for loop. यहाँ पे nesting हो रहा है. Loops का nesting. We are printing a message outer loop iteration प्लस आई. आइट्रेशन मैंने आपको बताया था, जैसे ये फोर लूप है 1 से लेके 4 तक चलेगा, मतलब एक बार ये यहाँ तक आएगा. एट स्टार्ट द वैल्यू ऑफ आई विल बी 1, then it will check 1 is less than equals to 4, yes 1 is less than equals to 4, it will increment the value. This is first iteration. Then again it will go to second value, I will be 2 then, because here we are incrementing the value, then here the value of I will be 2, then 2 is less than equals to 4, yes 2 is less than equals to 4, then again it will increment. This is another iteration. So I hope you will understand this process of what is nesting of the loop. In the next video I will teach you some more detail about nesting of the loop. Thank you.